I think it's time to consider whether we need to ban the public sale of fireworks across the country. I absolutely accept that will be disappointing to some people, and that's a decision for the government. But I think the concept of having organised firework displays is something we should maybe bring back to the city. But for me, the public sale of mini explosives to anybody who wants to buy them from local shops is maybe time's maybe up for that. If we don't go further than that this time, then this will end up in some serious implications for whether that's a police officer or an innocent child or a member of this community being injured seriously because of the appalling and horrific behaviour of a small group of people.